It's so freaking beautiful back here. I love this mountain. Lindsay said she's going to try STH for the first time. So we're going to go check it out before they shut down everything because of the wind. Welcome back to Snowbird on a very blustery, windy day. You should see the clouds up on top of the mountain. We're gonna head up that way in a little bit after we do a couple warm-up laps. They are moving fast. Oh, the snow feels so good. We've had a handful of storms over the past few days. Dumped a couple feet of snow. So hoping to find a few freshies that are left over. Oh, this feels good. Not that icy crap we've been dealing with. Season is starting out really well. Time for a nice bananas warm-up lap. And then I think I'm gonna hit STH or something over in that area. Boots are starting to feel good. Legs are warming up. Boy, these groomers are nice. Groomers are really something when you got snow on them. Let's see what the snow feels like. Oh, that is fluff. Somebody's got a flask up here. Nice. Buried in the snow. It's definitely a little heavy in spots, but feels good. All right, so I've done a little warm up and now I'm headed towards this run right in front of us. And I get several comments sometimes saying, you know, get your skis pointed downhill, pick up some speed. But until you really see how steep these runs are, like, you don't understand. Like, getting speed is not a problem. It's keeping it under control. That's a whole nother thing. But let's go hit something big. It is cloudy up top. Have a good run. All right, hopefully the snow is good. Oh, good stuff. Oh, that was nice through there. My body's not used to skiing powder yet, but it felt pretty good. I was being a little extra cautious. There's still some rocks sticking out, but generally that was really nice. Very well covered. Off to Gadzooks. Lindsay said this was pretty good. Oh, it looks nice. Yeah, this is sweet through here. Man, the snow's good. This is like February conditions. What a run. Lindsay's doing good. Smooth turns, nice and steady. That was good.
Yeah, it was pretty nice. Good practice.
It is.
Definitely didn't like drag my tails as much as I did the first time.
That's good. So pretty. I love the snow on the mountains. I'm not as young as I used to be. I can't ski like I used to. All right, off to Little Cloud. It's the Bass Ackward benches. All the stuff to my left. Looks like it's all open. Yeah. Well, this is looking good. Definitely some rocks hanging out. Wow. This is good. Oh, powder turns. Oh, this is chalky goodness. Oh boy. Look at those winds. We better get up there soon before they shut down the list for the wind holds. It is absolutely fantastic already. Probably gotta be wind hold. Let's head down. We can go down through the Black Forest. Into the Black Forest. This is a relatively mellow black diamond run, but It's got all these little fun tree areas and stuff, and kind of a little gully in the center. If you're wanting to do some low angle tree skiing at Snowbird, this is the place to come. It's so pretty. All right, make our way out to the exit. Good stuff. That's fun. Oh, it's getting wicked. All right. Lindsay said she's going to try STH for the first time. So we're going to go check it out before they shut down everything because of the wind. Protected once we drop in. Oh, snow feels good here. Oh yeah, this looks perfect. No rocks or anything. Either side, but this is where it's normally rocky. So just watch these first couple turns. But this side looks great. That's where I'm heading down. Yeah, this looks killer. This looks so good. This guy's cruising. There you go. You're sitting way too far back. But other than that, you look good. Here she comes. First couple turns are a little scary, but after that it gets much better. Good job. Good control. All right, keep some momentum. Don't stop. Don't stop. There you go. There you go. Looking good. Like a pro.
Too hard.
Once you started moving, you did great. It was when you were stopping every turn you're having trouble.
I couldn't figure out where to start or where to try it. Like I just wasn't lining up turns.
It's a lot to take in if you haven't done this kind of stuff before. Oh, big powder turn. Oh, that's so good. I could lap that all day. Just got to keep that momentum. Oh, that was beautiful. Just like that. And you're behind the tree. There you go. Nice. Look at that run she just came down. That's something else. I'm so proud of her for doing this. It's so easy to just keep saying, no, maybe next time, and then the end of the season happens. So to just get up there and go, really proud of her. You're sitting way too far back. Yeah, other than that, like your turns look good. You're so far back that you're having a hard time making a turn.
I need more time to practice before we do it again.
Yep.
But I'm glad to do it because it's not too hard for me.
Takes the fear factor out of it.
Yeah. See you down there.
Okay. Off to Eddie Mo. They had a small avalanche over off GAD 2, which explains why GAD 2 shut down. And they're doing a full search because, you know, people don't wear beacons in the resort. And they don't know how many people might have been over there. Probably nobody, but better safe than sorry. Oh, this looks a little rough. Not fully cut in yet. Squeeze. Should be able to get a few good turns over here. I'd say the upper part of the mountain's a no-go for the rest of the day. It is getting brutally windy. Whoa. Killer. A couple good turns. I don't think this is going to be worth it. Nope. Alright, Eddie Mo, take 2. Going left instead of right this time. Yeah, this looks pretty sweet right here. Alright, let's do it. deep. Sneaky Pete trees. Alright, I think this is going to be our last run. It's like noon, and we're both spent. First time in real snow this season, and it has been spectacular, but we got a big day at Alta tomorrow, so I'm going to try to save a little. I'm going to go check out some trees. Haven't been over here in a while, and the snow should be really good. Let's see if we can find a good run through here. Yes. What we got here? Oh, it's no big deal. Just a little roll. I know there's a couple of cliffs around here somewhere. That was fun. A little rougher than I was hoping, but still good. Oh, what a good day. A very short one. Oh, it's so good over here. Nobody is over here. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.